Welcome back to Motorsports Mania, your ultimate destination for classic and modern car reviews, where we bring the thrill of vintage wheels and cutting-edge engineering right to your screen. Today, we're taking a step back in time to revisit one of the most iconic cars of the 20th century, the 1965 Austin Mini. This small yet mighty vehicle left a massive impact on the automotive world and became a cultural symbol of the 60s. In this video, we'll explore everything from the design and features to the performance and legacy of the 1965 Austin Mini. The 1965 Austin Mini, also known as the Mini Mk1, came during a time when compact cars were gaining popularity due to rising fuel prices and growing urban congestion. Designed by Sir Alec Isogonis, the Mini revolutionized automotive engineering with its space-saving front-wheel drive layout. This innovative design allowed for 80% of the car's floorpan to be used for passengers and luggage, something that was almost unheard of at the time. At first glance, the car may appear tiny, but it packs plenty of surprises beneath its modest exterior. Under the hood, the 1965 Mini featured a transversely mounted 848cc four-cylinder engine that produced around 34 horsepower. That might not sound like much by today's standards, but considering the Mini weighed just around 600 kilograms, it was nimble and agile, making it a favorite for city driving. The engine was mated to a 4-speed manual transmission that delivered power to the front wheels. This front-wheel drive setup not only saved space but also drastically improved handling, especially in tight urban conditions and sharp corners. One of the Mini's biggest appeals was its compact yet stylish design. The 1965 model continued the traditional look with its rounded shape, short overhangs, and minimal front grille. It had a charming simplicity that made it universally appealing. Chrome accents around the headlights, bumpers, and grille gave it a slightly upscale feel, despite being a budget-friendly car. The small 10-inch wheels and low stance contributed to its unmistakable go-kart-like appearance and handling. Step inside the 1965 Mini and you'll find a minimalist interior that was straightforward but functional. The dashboard had a single centrally mounted speedometer with a few simple controls surrounding it. This layout allowed the car to be manufactured for both right-hand and left-hand drive markets with minimal modifications. The seats were thin but comfortable enough for short commutes, and though legroom was limited in the back, it could still accommodate 4 passengers if needed. Storage space was surprisingly good for a car of its size, with a decently sized boot and clever use of cabin space. The suspension system played a vital role in the Mini's performance. It used rubber cone suspension, which was a cost-effective and space-saving solution at the time. This provided the car with a unique ride quality that, while firm, offered great road feel and feedback. The car's cornering ability was one of its standout traits, making it immensely popular among racers and enthusiasts. In fact, the Mini's handling was so good that it soon found its way into motorsports, particularly rally racing, where it stunned the world by winning the Monte Carlo Rally multiple times during the 1960s. Safety and convenience features in the 1965 Mini were minimal by today's standards, but they were acceptable for the era. It came with basic seat belts, a simple ventilation system, and optional heaters in colder climates. There were no airbags or ABS, but the lightweight design and responsive handling allowed drivers to stay in control in most driving situations. For many owners, the charm of the Mini was in its simplicity, and it didn't pretend to be more than it was. The 1965 Austin Mini wasn't just a car, it was a social statement. It was popular with everyone from working-class families to celebrities and fashion icons. It symbolized freedom, youth, and the spirit of the swinging 60s. Its affordability made it accessible, and its style made it desirable. It was featured in movies, owned by the Beatles, and became a British cultural icon. The success of the Mini inspired numerous variants over the years, including performance models like the Mini Cooper and commercial versions such as vans and pickups. When it comes to performance, the 1965 Mini wasn't built for speed but for efficiency and maneuverability. It had a top speed of around 70 miles per hour and could go from 0 to 60 in just over 25 seconds. While those numbers might not impress today's performance car enthusiasts, the real magic was in how it handled. The lightweight construction, tight turning radius, and firm suspension made the Mini an absolute joy to drive on twisty roads and city streets alike. It offered a level of engagement that many larger and more powerful cars of the time couldn't match. Maintenance of the 1965 Mini was relatively straightforward. The mechanical components were easy to access, and parts were affordable and widely available. This made it a great option for DIY mechanics and classic car restorers even decades later. The car's simple construction also meant fewer things could go wrong, which contributed to its reputation for reliability. Today, the 1965 Austin Mini holds legendary status among classic car enthusiasts. It's often seen at car shows, in museums, and in the garages of collectors around the world. Restored examples are highly sought after, and the market value for well-kept originals continues to rise. Modern remakes and tributes pay homage to the original's design, but the true charm of the 1965 model lies in its authentic simplicity and historical significance. In conclusion, the 1965 Austin Mini was a groundbreaking car that reshaped the automotive industry. It combined practicality, performance, and personality in a tiny package that won hearts across generations. Whether you're a classic car collector or simply a fan of automotive history, the Mini stands as a reminder that great things often come in small sizes. Thank you for tuning into Motorsports Mania. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1965 Austin Mini, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on more exciting automotive content. Stay tuned for more reviews, features, and test drives right here on Motorsports Mania.